In this episode, the ROUSes are exploring the swampy beauty of southern Louisiana, and they find something hot, spicy, and unexpected. Stick around.
Well, here we are in the Adventure Volvo, surrounded by evergreens and cypress. And over there is a map that shows where we're heading over the next few weeks. We start a new series today, and we're calling it Lost in Paradise. In this winter series, we'll be searching for remarkable coastal places that we consider paradise on Earth. To make our list, it's got to have beautiful scenery, opportunities to explore, and warm weather.
We're passing through southern Louisiana on the way to the coast, and we're really loving the winter climate here and the beauty in these mossy cypress trees. We're wondering if this could be considered a wintertime paradise. Then we noticed this sign and followed it to the factory to explore how they make Tabasco pepper sauce. So come with us and we'll show you what we found there.
Well, this is just a remarkable place. In this factory, specially grown peppers are ground into a mash and placed in white oak barrels. After aging for up to 3 years, the mash is strained to remove skins and seeds. The resulting liquid is then blended with vinegar and then bottled as a finished sauce. Check out our behind-the-scenes footage to see how they make 700,000 bottles of Tabasco sauce each day.
And of course, there are plenty of Tabasco products available to visitors. Sauces and logo merchandise, and even Tabasco-flavored ice cream. This is a fun place to visit, so get down to Avery Island and check it out for yourself.
So we packed up our Tabasco purchases and hit the road again. This little corner of the swampy South is beautiful, but probably won't make our list of winter paradise spots. So it's time to move closer to the coast for our next place.
Coming up next will be our visit to Pensacola, Florida. We'll check out an historic coastal fort and spend time on their sandy trails and beaches. Join us for our next episode to see what we find there.
If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time when we might actually get lost in paradise.